Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to share Xbox Game Pass with another account on your PC. First, open the Microsoft Store on your computer. In the top right corner, click on the profile icon. Sign in using the account that has the Xbox Game Pass subscription. This is the account that owns the games. After you are signed in, leave the Microsoft Store open. Now go to the Xbox app on your Windows PC. In the Xbox app, click on your profile picture and sign in with the second account. This is the account you want to share the games with. Once you are signed in, go to the Game Pass section or search for the games you want to play. Because the Xbox app is connected to the Microsoft Store, it will detect the subscription from the first account. You can now download and play many of the games directly from the Xbox app. Keep in mind, not every title will work this way. Some games, like Call of Duty, will show errors when you try to launch them. But for most other titles, this method lets you share the subscription without switching accounts every time. That is how you can share Xbox Game Pass with another account on your PC in just a few steps. Thanks for watching.